catching up with Mom.
That's your mother?
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair.
I'm living in that 21st century, doing something mean to it. Do it better than anybody you ever seen. Do it, scream from the haters, got a nice ring to it. I guess every superhero need a